लिखना तो है ना।
अरे नंबर 1 नहीं आया।
No, one number one you don't have to write. It is what I have explained
ठीक है
you
मैम।
that. Okay. This is
और
about.
मैं
मैम
अपने बुक में लिख डाला।
in the box answer is
Sorry,
not there मैम।
sorry.
वो बॉक्स है ना, उसमें आंसर नहीं दिए हुए आपने।
Which one, beta? In this one?
मैम नहीं, यस मैम दिस वन।
इसके आंसर्स बेटा आप कह रहे हो?
नहीं ये मैं नहीं लिखा बॉक्स वाला, मुझे समझ में नहीं आया था
कोई बात
इसलिए।
नहीं, अभी रिवीजन में समझ में आएगा और इसके आंसर इसी में है बेटा। अंडरस्टूड? ओके।
ओके मैम।
देखो फॉर एग्जाम्पल इसमें 4 नंबर का है, नॉट जजमेंट ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट। डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट के जजमेंट सब सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होता, आप कहाँ जाओगे? तालुका कोर्ट में, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट में या हाई कोर्ट में? तब हाई कोर्ट में जाओगे ना, समझे? तो ये उसके आंसर्स भी है, विच कोर्ट विल टेक द केसेस। अंडरस्टूड? अंडरस्टूड और नॉट अजीज?
मैम मतलब वो आंसर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है।
हाँ। Understood?
यस मैम।
Boys, understood all of you? Why it is not going? Yes, chalo. Revise it better. Indian judicial system, or else question is, give brief idea of Indian judicial system.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, Mehdi, say better.
Give a brief idea of Indian judicial system. Indian judicial system. India is a democratic country. The judiciary of our country is independent and unbiased. Unbiased. Those who do not abide by
Abide.
ab- abide the laws are called criminals. By doing crime, criminals deprive other of their rights and has three levels of court. They are first Taluka court, B district court, third state level court. Supreme Court is the highest court of the country. Our courts undertake both civil and criminal cases. Moreover, to make judiciary quick and inexpensive, lok adalats have been established.
Yes, so India is a democratic country.
Country.
The judiciary of our country is independent and unbiased, right? Not based on anything, right? Those who do not abide by laws are called criminals. जो लॉ को फॉलो नहीं करते उनको क्या बोलते हैं? क्रिमिनल्स, राइट? मीन्स दे आर the one who breaks the law, right? Are called criminals. By doing crime, criminals deprive others of their rights. वो लोग क्राइम करके क्या डिप्राइव करते हैं? किसी की राइट्स छीन लेते हैं। क्या करते हैं? क्या करते हैं बेटा? दे आर डिप्राइविंग, दे आर टेकिंग अवे समवन्स राइट, है ना? नाउ देयर आर 3 levels of court. Which are they? हैं?
Taluka
Who will
court,
give me the?
district court,
Yes,
state
very
level
good.
court.
हाँ, तालुका कोर्ट, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट एंड स्टेट लेवल कोर्ट, राइट साहिल? And which is the highest court of the country?
Supreme Court.
हैं?
Supreme Court.
हाँ, Supreme Court is the highest court of the country, right? Everyone understood?
Yeah.
Our courts undertakes both the civil cases as well as the criminal cases. Now see here one important question, huh? Okay, Supreme Court is the high court of the country. So every state has what?
High Court.
Every state has a high court, and the high court of our country is where?
Ahmedabad.
Hmm. Right. Moreover, to make judiciary quick and inexpensive, Lok Adalats have been set up. Okay? Clear till here?
Yeah.
Chalo, okay. Chalo, Azil, revise it once more.
Okay, ma'am. Give a brief idea of Indian judicial system. India is a democratic country. The judiciary of our country is independent and unbiased. Those who do not abide by the laws are called criminals. By doing crime, criminals deprive others of their rights.
Deprive.
Deprive others of their
Very
rights.
good. Continue.
India has three levels of courts. They are Taluka Court, District Court, and State level court. Supreme Court is the highest court of the country. Our courts undertake both civil and criminal cases.
Cases.
Moreover, to make judiciary quick and ineffective, Lok Adalats have been incensed.
Have been established. Okay? Understood everyone this answer?
Yes.
Boys, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt till here in
No.
this answer?
No.
Okay, so we'll do number 2. Number
Yes.
3. Okay? Means our 2 question. Yes, Mehdi Raza.
Third, explain the various types of courts and their hierarchy. India has three levels of court. They are Taluka courts, district courts, and state level courts. Supreme Court is the highest court of the country. This court undertakes both civil and criminal cases. The lowest level court is called the Taluka court. Taluka courts are also called trial courts. Courts above the Taluka courts are called district courts. High Court is the topmost court of all the Taluka and district courts. Thus, High High Court apex highest court in a state. High Court apex highest court in a state. High Court of Gujarat was established in 1960 in Ahmedabad. The topmost court of our country is the Supreme Court. It is in Delhi.
Yes, very good. Yes, Sufyan. What are the 3 levels of court, Sufyan? Shabar, what are the 3 levels of court?
Ma'am,
Chalo,
district
Shabar and Sufyan.
court, district level, state level, and taluka level.
Ma'am, क्या कैसे?
Who said this answer?
Ma'am, me,
Taluka
Shabbat.
court, district court, and state level court.
वेरी गुड शबर. शबर वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड अजिल. पर मैं ऐसे सुनना चाहूंगी कि पहले तालुका कोर्ट, उसके बाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट, और उसके बाद स्टेट लेवल कोर्ट, और उसके बाद स्टेट लेवल कोर्ट के बाद कौन सा कोर्ट रहेगा? सुप्रीम कोर्ट. समझे आप? है ना शबर? पहले कोई भी तालुका में आप केस फाइल कर सकते हो, फिर वहां पे वो केस आपको न्याय ना मिले तो आप डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट में जा सकते हो, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट में भी आपको न्याय ना मिले तो आप स्टेट लेवल कोर्ट में जा सकते हो. ऐसा लेवल्स होते हैं. समझ में आ रहा है? You cannot directly go to the state court. Understood? That is why it is the 1, 2, 3 is the level. Understood, beta? Shaban? Okay. Yes, Azir, you were saying which are the 3 levels of court?
Okay. Explain the various types of court and their judiciary. India has 3 levels of court. They are Taluka Court, District Court, and State Level Court. Supreme Court is the highest court of the country. These courts undertake both civil and criminal cases. The lowest level court is called the Taluka Court. Taluka courts are also called trial courts. Courts above the Taluka courts are called district courts. High Court is the topmost court of topmost court of all the Taluka and district courts. Thus, High Court is the apex highest court in a state.
Apex.
High Court of Gujarat was established in 1960 in Ahmedabad. Topmost court of our country is the Supreme Court. It is in Delhi. Delhi.
Yes, very good, Azir. So, पहला पॉइंट में क्या डिस्क्राइब किया है? 3 levels of court, है ना? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, Sahil, which are those 3 levels of court?
Taluka court, district court, and state level court.
Understood everyone? Sahil? Understood? No. Now, which is the highest court of our country? Country पूछा, state नहीं. हाँ?
Supreme Court.
Yes, Supreme Court is the highest court. Yes, and where it is?
Ahmedabad.
Where is it?
Delhi. Delhi.
Supreme Court is in Delhi, beta, not in Hyderabad. Our Gujarat High Court is in Delhi. Understood?
Yes.
Few? So the lowest court is called, and here courts undertake both type of cases. Which cases do they undertake? एक तो civil cases and the other is the criminal cases. है ना? These courts undertake both cases, civil and the criminal cases. Now, taluka courts are called trial courts. What are they called, beta? Taluka courts are also called trial courts. Okay, courts above the taluka court are called the district courts. उनके ऊपर तालुका के ऊपर जो कोर्ट होती है, they are called district courts. High court is the topmost court of the taluka and district courts, right? Thus, high court is at the apex highest court in a state. High Court of Gujarat, right, was established in 1960 in Ahmedabad. The topmost court of our country is the Supreme Court and it is in Delhi. Where it is? It is in Delhi, right? चलो, so I'll reverse this answer once more so everyone will understand. Memorize हो रहा है कि नहीं बच्चों?
Yes.
Boys, can you listen?
Yes.
Memorize हो रहा है ना आंसर?
Yes.
अच्छा चलो, साइल रिवाइज करो एक बार ये आंसर. तो नंबर 3. Sahil, read this answer once, revise
Yes,
it
ma'am.
once.
Explain the various types of court.
Your voice is not clear, Sahil.
What, ma'am?
Sahil, we are not able to listen you when you are reading. Now it's okay. When you are reading, we were not able to listen you. Yes, it's okay.
मैम पहले से रीड करो.
हाँ बेटा, you were not audible at all.
Okay, ma'am. India has 3 levels of court.
Bo-
They are taluka court, district courts, and state level. Supreme Court is the highest court of the country. These courts undertake both civil and criminal cases. The lowest level court is the taluka court. Taluka courts are also called the trial courts. Courts above the taluka court are called district courts. High court is the topmost court of all the taluka and district courts. Thus, High Court is the apex court in a state. High Court of Gujarat was established in 1960 in Ahmedabad. The topmost court of our country is the Supreme Court. It is in Delhi.
Very good, Sahil. Yes, and Mohammed, did you understand? Tabriz, everyone understood the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
And Mohammed, out koi answer mein? And Mohammed, how many levels of court are there?
3 levels of court.
And yes, which are they, and Mohammed?
Taluka court, district court, and state level court.
And so, which is the highest court in Mohammed of the country?
Supreme Court is the highest court of the country.
Where it is? Where it is?
Delhi.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहाँ पे है एंड मोहम्मद? हाँ राइट. मेहदी रजा ने आंसर दिया दिल्ली.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ देखो, मैं आवाज से ही पहचान लेती हूँ कौन है बिना देखे, है ना.
Yes,
चलो,
ma'am.
द लोवेस्ट कोर्ट इज कॉल्ड. हाँ एंड मोहम्मद, द लोवेस्ट कोर्ट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट बेटा?
Taluka court.
यस, हाँ तालुका कोर्ट. एंड फॉर एनी स्टेट हाईएस्ट कोर्ट कौन सी है कोई भी स्टेट के लिए?
Supreme Court.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट सबसे हाईएस्ट है. और
Yes.
है स्टेट के लिए पूछा मैंने, स्टेट के लिए.
स्टेट के लिए हाई कोर्ट है.
हाँ.
हाई
और गुजरात में हाई कोर्ट कहाँ पे है और कब एस्टेब्लिश हुई?
अहमदाबाद 1960. अहमदाबाद.
गांधीनगर.
बेटा वो गांधीनगर इज अवर स्टेट कैपिटल सुफिया, पर वो अहमदाबाद गांधीनगर गुजरात की हाई कोर्ट है ना. ऑलवेज जो होती है ना हाई कोर्ट, बेटा आपकी बात सही है, वो किसी कैपिटल स्टेट में ही होती है. जैसे गुजरात का कैपिटल गांधीनगर है तो वहां पे ही हाई कोर्ट होती है. बट ये जो गुजरात की जो हाई कोर्ट है ना सुफियान, वो फिजिकली
Yes.
लोकेटेड अहमदाबाद में है बेटा. अहमदाबाद के एरिया में आ जाती है. समझ में आया? आपकी बात
Yes.
सही है कि कोई भी हाई कोर्ट जो होता है ना, वो स्टेट के कैपिटल में ही होता है. समझ में आया? जैसे गुजरात का कैपिटल गांधीनगर है तो गांधीनगर में होना चाहिए, पर ये फिजिकली जो है, फॉर मेनी रीजंस इट इज इन अहमदाबाद. ओके. And why it is in Ahmedabad? That also I say you. One reason I say because it is very closer to गांधीनगर, और वो वही रोड पे है. अहमदाबाद गांधीनगर हाईवे जो है ना, उसी रोड पे है. गुजरात हाई कोर्ट के एरिया से पहचाना जाता है. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड. एंड इट इज वेरी क्लोज. क्यों भावनगर में नहीं है भाई? गुजरात भी गुजरात नहीं है भावनगर. राजकोट भी गुजरात में ही है, तो हाई कोर्ट क्यों गुजरात राजकोट में नहीं है? राइट. अहमदाबाद इज वेरी क्लोज.
डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट होता है ना.
हाँ, वो क्यों अहमदाबाद में? बिकॉज एट एरिया लोकेशन वाइज ऑल्सो इट इज क्लोजर टू our state capital. Okay, and there are many other reasons. चलो, अब हमने लास्ट में क्या किया था? अच्छा देखो, सुप्रीम कोर्ट क्यों दिल्ली में है बताओ?
And क्योंकि it is the capital of India.
हाँ, कंट्री कैपिटल दिल्ली है ना, तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहाँ होना
And
चाहिए? दिल्ली में, राइट? क्यों भाई, वो पंजाब में
and
नहीं है हर?
the
हाँ बेटा,
state
सॉरी।
level court, Gujarat capital is Gandhinagar, so it is in Ahmedabad.
हाँ, इट इज रोड मैप के हिसाब से आप देखो तो एरिया वाइज इट इज क्लोजर, राइट? ओके, चलो, वेरी गुड। चलो सुफियान, डिस्कस द केस ऑफ हंसाबेन। सुफियान,
Now I read.
आपका टर्न अभी आया था ना? एन मोहम्मद विल रीड। चलो, एन मोहम्मद ने खाली
Okay,
आंसर्स
ma'am.
दिए थे क्वेश्चन के। एन मोहम्मद,
Yes, ma'am.
यस,
वो
रिवाइज।
एफ बी का समझाओ कैसे लिखने के
क्या बोल रहे हो
रेसिप्रोकेशन के।
सनराज?
वो एफ बी में बॉक्स वाला।
बेटा हम जाएंगे ना वहाँ, वो मैं स्किप नहीं करूंगी, हम वहाँ पहुंचेंगे ही। ठीक है सनराज? वो आप लोग क्या बोलते हो बेटा, व्हाट डू यू से? सबर रखो, सबर रखो, है ना? है ना, तो सबर रखो। ठीक है, हम
यस।
पहुंचेंगे वन बाय वन। ओके, यस एन मोहम्मद, नंबर
Ma'am,
4।
4 वाला रिवाइज करो.
हाँ, 4 वाला हंसाबेन का केस याद है ना? हंसाबेन
Yes.
का केस, लैंडलॉर्ड वाला, वो फार्म वाला।
Yes.
चलो रिवाइज करो, 4th नंबर।
Discuss the case of Hansaben. Case of Hansaba. Number 1. There was a powerful landlord in a small town. He possessed, he
possessed
possessed,
possessed
he possessed maximum land of the town. Number 2. There was a lady called Hansabe whose farm was near the landlord's farm. Number 3. The landlord en- encroached half area of Hansabe's farm. Number 4. The landlord was neither given back her land nor any money against the land. Number 5. Finally, to obtain justice, Hansabe filed a case in Taluka court. Number 6. Both the landlord and Hansabe presented their arguments in the court. The verdict. Number 1. After hearing both the sides, the judge found landlord to be
Yes,
guilty
very good.
and so gave the
verdict, verdict नहीं, verdict. Okay.
okay. Verdict. After hearing both the sides, the judge found landlord to be guilty and so gave the decision in the favor of Hansabe.
हंसाबा, ओके। हंसाबिन नहीं, हंसाबा है। अच्छा, ये हंसाबा क्यों लिखा है, पता है किसी का?
No. क्योंकि दादी
हमारे गुजराती लैंग्वेज में हाँ, गुजराती लैंग्वेज, हाँ साहिल, हमारे गुजराती लैंग्वेज में बा 2 जगह यूज होता है इन अवर गुजराती लैंग्वेज। आपकी बात सही है साहिल, कि जब कोई ग्रैंड मदर हो तो हम उसे बा बुलाते हैं, है ना? और दूसरा, एक साहिल इसलिए भी किसी लेडीज के नाम में बाल लगाते हैं क्योंकि वो दरबार होता है ना, दरबार, तो बचपन से ही उनके नाम में बा लग जाता है ना? तो मे बी कि ये बा भी ग्रैंड मदर भी हो सकते हैं या दरबार भी हो सकते हैं, राइट? अंडरस्टूड? तो आप कभी भी कोई छोटी बच्ची होगी ना, दरबार में 3 साल की लड़की को देखोगे ना, तो समझो उसका नाम तृप्ति है, तो उसके छोटी होगी ना 3 साल की, तो भी उसके नाम के पीछे तृप्ति बा लगाते हैं। दैट डजंट मीन शी इज ग्रैंड मदर, 3 साल की है तो, है ना? उन लोगों में ऐसा रिवाज होता है कि लड़कियों के नाम में बा लगाते हैं। अंडरस्टूड?
ओके मैम.
ओके,
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
verdict means what beta? Yes, verdict means what? Yeah. Sorry?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
तो फिर
Ma'am, your voice is
Ma'am,
breaking.
your voice is
Ma'am,
हाँ
breaking.
तो
Ma'am, voice is not coming.
Hello.
1 minute, but I'll check 1 minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, now it is clear. अभी
No,
क्लियर है
ma'am.
हेलो
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, Abhi. Yes, ma'am.
ओके चलो चल बेटा also revise this answer case of main
Ma'am, which 5 number?
Phone number discuss the case of Elizabeth.
Hansabaka. Discuss the case of Hansaba. There was a powerful landlord.
हाँ बेटा case of Hansaba
There was a powerful landlord in a small town. He possessed maximum land of the town. There was a lady called Hansaba whose farm was near the landlord's farm. The landlord entered half area of Hansaba's farm. The landlord was neither giving back her land nor any money against the land. Finally, to obtain justice, Hansaba filed a case in Taluka court. Both the landlord and Hansaba presented their arguments in the court. The verdict: after having both the sides, the judge found landlord to be guilty and sought the decision in the favor of Hansaba.
yes very good so yeah so it was the court gave the judge in the favor of Hansaba right yes very good so there was a powerful landlord in a small we discussed about him right उनके पास क्या था possessed मतलब what he had maximum end of the town उनको और चाहिए था right and there was a lady called Hansaba whose farm was near a landlord's farm तो उनको क्या करना था वो फार्म को भी कब्जे में करना था जो लैंडलॉर्ड के बाजू में था ना उनको भी कब्जे में करना था सो व्हाट डिड द लैंडलॉर्ड डू ही एंक्रोच हाफ एरिया ऑफ हंसाबा's फार्म उन्होंने क्या किया एंक्रोच मतलब क्या कर लिया कितने पे तो हाफ एरिया ऑफ द हंसाबा's फार्म पे तो लैंडलॉर्ड वाज लैंडलॉर्ड फिर उनको नहीं दे रहे थे पैसा भी नहीं दे रहे थे लैंड के बदले लैंड भी नहीं दे रहे थे right so what she do to get justice she filed the case in the which court तालुका कोर्ट right so वो दोनों ने फिर उस कोर्ट तालुका कोर्ट में मिलती है
Ma'am, your voice is
to
cutting.
go
Ma'am,
and
your voice
present
is
their
not
arguments to
coming.
court right and then they are listening to both of them Hansaba and the yes now it will come after hearing the landlord and Hansaba the court gave the decision Yes, what was the decision? The decision was judge gave the decision, and what did the judge find? The judge found that the landlord was what? Landlord was landlord was what? Landlord was guilty, no? Yes or no? Landlord was guilty, and so gave the decision in the favor of whom? Sahil, in the favor of?
Hansaba.
Hello?
Hansaba.
Yes, in the favor of Hansa Ba. Now, yes, write a short note on High Court. Yes, Sahil, revise this
Okay,
answer.
ma'am. Every state has a high court. High court is above all the courts of state. High Court of Gujarat is in Ahmedabad. The jurisdiction of his High Court
Jurisdiction.
jurisdiction of his High Court is within the state. All the High Courts of every state are at same level. All the High Courts of every state are at same level. High Courts are also called Court of Record or about the main judge. There are additional judges to help the main judge in taking a decision. Anyone can file a case in High Court. However, if the court feels that a wrong appeal is being made by a person filing the case, then it can also punish the one who made a wrong
Filling
appeal.
nahi, filling nahi, file.
Filing the
Filing,
case.
Sahil, filing, filling nahi, filing.
Okay. Filing the case, then it can be also punished. The one who made a wrong appeal made by a person. The High Court judge takes the ये क्या है?
Oath before the governor. Very good, Sahil, very good. So what it is written, Sufyan, Mehdi Raza, in the first line? Every step above all the कोर्स सब लेवल से ऊपर स्टेट के लिए है, कंट्री के लिए नहीं. Now our High Court, the High Court of Gujarat State is in Ahmedabad. Okay, then all the high courts, of every state are at the same level, and they are also called what? Courts of justice and courts of record. What are they called? Court of records. Is it clear? Clear, boys? So the High Court takes the oath in the front of before the governor. Yes, understood everyone till here?
Yes.
यहाँ तक चलो फिर कोई डाउट? Anyone has any doubt?
No doubt.
Sure, everyone. Sanraj, Sufyan, Azil, Sanraj, समझ में आया सब? Okay, चलो. So now which class you are having?
No, ma'am, doubt.
Okay, sir. Good. Chalo, which class you are having now?
English.
Okay. So be ready with the fair books, textbooks of English now. I hope you all daily take only all books and sit, huh? Textbook नहीं है तो कौन सी बेटा?